Hi guys, and welcome to the Emergency Fund Tracker. So this is just a guide on how to use this tracker. Number one, you'll find the start page, which shows basically how to use this tracker. There are only 4 places that you will need to fill: the average monthly expense and the target number of months to cover, contribution tracker, and withdrawal tracker. So contribution tracker is just the amount that you'll be filling every time you put money into your emergency fund, and withdrawal tracker is the amount that you are removing from your emergency fund. Once you have the contribution tracker, this will go directly to emergency fund contribution, and the withdrawal tracker contributes to the emergency fund withdrawn. This now helps to determine the emergency fund held. Now, based on the average monthly expense and the target number of months to cover, this gives you your target emergency fund. Remember, the ideal emergency fund period is 3 to 6 months. So once you have that in place, you'll be able to see your progress in percentage form and the months the current balance will cover. What does this mean? So ideally, I'm trying to aim for 6 months, but right now where I'm at, based on the emergency fund held, it can only cover me for, let's say, 2 months. Thank you.